much needed forage for a large male bear that hasn't eaten for several months. Nothing should come between a bear and his first meal of the year. Millions of salmon come here from the Pacific Ocean in order to spawn in these fertile waters, which will provide their newly hatched young with abundant food. So grass soon ceases to be top of the menu for Kamchatka's bears. But this early in the season, the fish are still strong and swift. But one old bear knows that right now there is an easier meal to be had. He remembers that if he paddles out into the lake, away from the shoals of newly arrived salmon, there's food that doesn't need chasing. Some of the first fish to arrive have died, and their bodies can be easily collected from the bottom of the lake. A couple of weeks later, the salmon are beginning to spawn and are less wary. Now it's worth running. The fish are so abundant, even those with no previous experience. There are now so many fish, it's difficult to know which one to chase. In a single day, a bear can consume 100,000 calories, 50 times more than the average human being does. And one part is particularly delicious. Caviar. 80 calories in every mouthful.